Here is a quick market snapshot for Fort Erie and the Niagara Region midway through the first month of 2026. Now, typically this time of year, we see activity slow at the end of one year, the beginning of the next year, and even throughout the first month of the new year. Seasonality also usually plays a role in inventory and sales both being down, and that's typical for this time of year. And while the story held true, the inventory did drop off. I'm surprised to see how much of it is already returning to the market here in the third week of January, and sales also are pacing quite nicely for this time of year. I'm happy to see that. By mid-December of 2025, our inventory had already significantly declined, and at the beginning of January, Fort Erie was sitting at 341 active listings. Just to put it in perspective, mid-year we were around 500 active listings. Region-wide, we are also starting the year off just over 2,000 active listings, which is a significant reduction from the end of the year. What's different in January is how quickly that inventory is returning. In the first few weeks of this month, we're already seeing new listings coming back to market quite quickly, and it's not exactly being offset by those sales, so we're going to start to see that inventory grow. Throughout much of 2025, Fort Erie remained in a buyer's market. Inventory levels stayed elevated and new listings were not being offset by sales. That imbalance applied downward pressure on pricing throughout the entire year, bringing the marketplace average down significantly throughout the entire Niagara region. Well, it's too early to draw a conclusion about 2026 just yet. Early indicators are worth paying attention to. Last week alone, 40 new listings came to market in Fort Erie, with only 9 sales during that same period. That tells us inventory is rebuilding faster than the absorption at the moment. That said, sales activity is present. As of today, we've already seen 16 firm sales in Fort Erie. Those are solid numbers. The majority of early year sales are occurring at a lower price point, indicating that our first-time home buyer is taking advantage of this market. At the same time, upper-end inventory, I am seeing activity as well. I've had a few of my luxury homes that I have listed here in the new year actually negotiate offers. One of them sold firm over that $1 million price point, and I've been negotiating a few offers over the $2 million price point, so that's great too. So despite broader market noise, transactions are still taking place. Inventory remains elevated, which may continue to influence pricing. But the combination of the stabilized interest rate, the price adjustments that we saw over the year in 2025, it seems to be bringing buyers back to the market. As always, I'll continue to track the inventory, the absorption rate, pricing trends closely, and I'll share these updates as the data is unfolding. If you want to understand how these shifts apply to your specific property or your plans here in Fort Erie and across the Niagara region, feel free to reach out.